Starting from the first ray of sunlight in the morning, chasing the footsteps of the sun every day, depositing unlimited energy. Xiamen Grace Solar Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in R&D and manufacturing of solar photovoltaic mounting products. In the photovoltaic market, Grace combined astronomical tracking algorithm and closed-loop control, integrated AI artificial intelligence, Internet of Things and other new generation information technologies, and successfully launched GS Light Intelligent Tracking System, GS Smart Ground Mounting System, GS Power Floating Mounting System, BIPV and other system solutions. The program fills the gap in the industry. The entire series of products have high durability and excellent stability, safe and reliable operation for 25 years, and continue to receive high praise from customers. At present, Grace have served more than 100 countries and regions around the world, successfully installed hundreds of ultra-high projects, and established long-term stable cooperative relations with many Fortune 500 and well-known EPC companies at home and abroad. For more than 10 years, Grace has been based on a global perspective. Today, when the competition in the solar industry is becoming more and more fierce, it has a team of high-level engineers who have returned from overseas to provide effective protection for customers with professionalism in product development and create more value for customers with innovation. Won a number of patents in the field of solar photovoltaics and passed multiple national authoritative certifications. In the future, we will stick to do it right the first time, continue to build core competitiveness and help customers achieve extraordinary achievements, and continue to chase in the global market to become a solar energy technology enterprise with core values and help affordable clean energy to enter thousands of households. Where there is sunshine, there is grace.